Super Channel. I do it again. Juliana Super Channel. Making doll unboxing. Subscribe to Juliana Super Channel down below. Do you like it or don't? Juliana Super Channel. You down below, and do you don't like it or you do like it? Let us know in the comments down below. Like and comment down below in my comments, and do what your mom says, and really make sure that your mom will help you to on my subscribe. Really now. You had to watch it. You really had to watch it. Oh my god. I got these cool stickers. And I got them from American Doll Store with my mommy. So let's put them on my dolly. This one's for my mommy. Come here, mommy. I don't need to catch her. Now she's in my video. I'm going to show you what I got today. I'm going to show you where I got today. I'm going to show you what I got today. So, I have my dolly here. She's so pretty. They have these cute stickers from the American Doll Store. Oh, my dolly fell. I had to put on her sticker. I'm going to show you where I got today. So these strawberry shirt outfit. Let's open it. I'm going to show you a close-up of everything, and then, yeah. These are really cool shoes, because them are cool sandals, and them are gold. And this has a very cool headband, and this thing is coming from this dress. She's a wedding. Her. No, but I don't like that. This is a really cool thing because this is a headband. Picture of her. And there. Look at this dress. It's cute. Really cute. So I'm going to show you my dress. And I'm going to show you what I have in my dress because it's the same as this dress. I got the matching dress. I got a matching dress for me.
You know we get it every weekend. You know that we don't play. And what I do, it ain't no secret. You know that we don't play. day. Say you wish you could see me. Let's take it day by day. If you really wanna hear me, then holler every day. Yeah, I'm on my.
Okay, now I'm gonna put the clothes on my dolly. Let's show her. Let's now change my doll. First song, I always had to put on the shoes last. And then the headband. You gotta keep watching this video. I'm trying to put on shoes, but it's weird. I need some help. Done. I put on my doll's dress. Now I'm gonna put on my dress. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Keep watching. Like and subscribe down below, and you keep watching down below. If you like it, just watch it every single time. Leave us in the comments down below. Leave us subscribe it. Now bye. Don't forget